Gawravi Pigera, I was able to achieve subject prize for the CL3 Advanced Management Accounting subject in July 2021 examination. I joined with onlineaccounting.lk for Business Level 2 examination and I did the Business Level 1 examination in Sinhala medium. After I chose onlineaccounting.lk, I started to do Business Level 2 examination in English medium. I could able to achieve third in order of merit prize from Business Level 2 March 2021 examination. After that, I was hoped to do corporate level examinations in December. I asked Hashan sir about that. He told me not to do in December and try one subject to do in July, targeting for a prize. And I chose AMA to do in July examination. So I think Hashan sir's guidance motivated me to achieve this prize. I did studies until releasing the Business Level 2 examination results. So after Business Level 2 examination results was released at the end of the April, and there were only 2.5 months for me to study. Then Hashan sir gave me a plan to cover all syllabus within that time frame. I watched all the videos within a month. After that, other than covering all syllabus, Hashan sir did further corrections and discussed past papers from 2016. What I did was I did the past papers myself, and after that I watched the discussion videos so that I could understand my mistakes and watch the videos again to recorrect them. Apart from that, Hashan sir did theory class video which is covering all theory areas within 2 hours. Even I am not good at in theory areas, that video helped me to improve my theory knowledge. Even before I joined with onlineaccounting.lk, I have so many doubts whether they cover full syllabus on time, whether they do past papers, but now I can recommend anyone to onlineaccounting.lk since they cover full syllabus on time and do the past paper discussions as well. Finally, I take this opportunity to thank Hashan sir who guided me to achieve this prize, and all other lecturers who guide me and motivated me to be in here today.
onlineaccounting.lk